Hey, everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about what MK Hydrovac Services provide. So, MK Hydrovac is a full-service hydro excavation company. We have been in business for over 18 years. Our main objective is to get all of the dirt out of your underground vault or tank without damaging any of the underground utilities that may be present. The way we do this is by using our specialized equipment, such as our hydro vacuum trucks, which are mounted with a vacuum. We use these machines to look for underground utilities before other companies start excavating to make sure that we don't hit anything. So some of the things we do is potholing. Potholing is when we go out to a site and we're looking for underground utilities. Prior to excavating to install new utilities, it's important to be aware of where any existing underground utility might be. This is the preferred method for many municipalities because it's much faster than doing hand digs. And so we can take these machines down to 18 feet if we need to, which is good because typically sewer lines are around 15 to 20 feet deep. Another thing we do is trenching. There are times where trenching is needed. Unfortunately, there are existing underground utilities in the way. We can use our Hydrovacs to trench safely without damaging any of the existing utilities. Another thing we do is clean a variety of tanks, from oilfield tanks, like frac tanks and upright tanks. We clean empty fuel tanks that are needing inspections. Another thing we clean is irrigation vaults. So these can be for homeowners, homeowner associations, commercial properties, or even farm pump houses. Anywhere that has an irrigation vault, we can clean it. Another thing we do is clean car wash pits and separators. Car wash pits, they get really dirty. They have all kinds of oils and chemicals and debris that collect in the pit. So we will come in with our hydro vacuum truck and clean those out for you. Another thing we do is clean storm drains and storm drain vaults. Storm drains, you'll see them on the side of the streets. They can get clogged up with leaves and debris just like the variety tanks. So we will come in and clean those out using our hydro vacuum truck. Another thing we do is clean dry wells. Dry wells are typically installed in residential and commercial properties. They collect all of the stormwater runoff and they allow it to filter into the ground instead of flowing over the surface. They can get clogged up just like everything else. So we will come in and clean those out for you. Another thing we do is clean used glycol at airports. Airports use glycol in their operations for winter operations. The used glycol is stored in underground tanks, and we use our vac truck to remove all the used glycol from these tanks. And another thing we do is clean municipal water treatment plants. In the water treatment plant, there's a clarifier basin and a digester basin. These basins, they have sludge that builds up at the bottom. We use our hydrovac trucks to clean out the sludge from these different basins. They also have filter media that need to be removed after a certain amount of time, and we can also do this with our hydrovacs. So that's just a small list of what MK Hydrovac can do for you. If you need anything cleaned, have any underground utilities, need a pothole, give us a call at 970-986-0673